Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 isn't lasting more than 5 minutes, you're likely experiencing a common issue with the battery. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge, which can lead to frustrating interruptions during cleaning. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, you risk complete battery failure, leaving your vacuum unusable. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, and some good lighting to see the components clearly. To begin, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Start by locating the release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button and pull the battery away from the main body of the vacuum. This should expose the battery compartment. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws holding the battery in place. Be careful not to strip the screws, a gentle but firm pressure works best. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its housing. You may need to disconnect a small cable attached to the battery. Take your time and avoid pulling too hard. With the old battery removed, take your new replacement and slide it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are secure. Replace the screws in the battery compartment, tightening them evenly to ensure a good fit. After everything is reassembled, double-check to see if there are any loose wires or components nearby that could be damaged when you close the vacuum. Once you are satisfied everything is in place, press the release button again and slide the battery back into the main body of the Dyson. To test your repair, turn on the vacuum and see if it runs smoothly for more than 5 minutes. If it does, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to avoid letting the battery completely drain before recharging. Regularly clean the battery contacts and store your Dyson in a cool, dry place. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.